Welcome to Wellness Signal Hub, your daily guide to smarter, safer living. Today, we're diving into one of the most common and often misunderstood health conditions in the world: diabetes. Whether you're living with it or simply trying to avoid it, here are 7 important things you should know. Stay with us, one of these might just save a life, or even empower you to live a fuller one. Alright, let's kick things off with our first crucial point. Diabetes isn't just about sugar. Most people think diabetes comes from eating too much sugar, but the truth is it's much more about how your body uses sugar. Diabetes happens when your body doesn't make enough insulin, or when your cells stop responding to it properly. Think of insulin like a special key that opens the door for sugar, or glucose, to enter your cells and give you energy. When that key doesn't work as it should, sugar stays trapped in your bloodstream, and guess what? This isn't just about feeling a bit off. That excess sugar can lead to serious damage throughout your body over time. So remember, it's not just about sweets. It's fundamentally about balance in your diet, consistent movement, and how well your body handles and processes the sugars you consume. It's about your internal system running smoothly. Moving on to our second point, there aren't just one, but 3 main types of diabetes. It's a common misconception that diabetes is a single condition, but actually, there are distinct types, each with its own characteristics. First, we have type 1 diabetes. This is an autoimmune condition where your body makes little to no insulin. It's often diagnosed in children and young adults, and it means your body isn't producing that vital key we just talked about. Then there's type 2 diabetes, which is the most common type. Here, your body either resists the effects of insulin or doesn't produce enough to maintain normal glucose levels. It often develops over time and is strongly linked to lifestyle factors. Finally, gestational diabetes occurs during pregnancy. It's usually temporary and often goes away after the baby is born, but it does increase the risk for both the mother and child to develop type 2 diabetes later on. Each type presents its own unique challenges, but the empowering news is that all can be managed effectively with awareness, proactive lifestyle choices, and proper medical care. Knowing which type you're dealing with is the first step to managing it well. Now, for point number 3. Early signs are often missed. Diabetes can be sneaky, often starting quietly, almost imperceptibly. Many people don't even realize they have it until complications begin to arise. You might find yourself feeling more tired than usual, even after a full night's sleep, or experiencing a persistent lack of energy throughout the day. You might also notice you're urinating more often, especially at night, or feeling unusually thirsty all the time, no matter how much water you drink. Another subtle sign can be wounds that take an unusually long time to heal, or frequent infections. These are not just minor annoyances. These are the early warning signals your body is sending you, trying to tell you something isn't quite right. Unfortunately, far too often, people ignore these symptoms, dismissing them as signs of aging or just being busy. But the truth is, the earlier you recognize these signals and act on them, the easier it is to prevent long-term damage and keep yourself healthy. Listening to your body is truly a superpower when it comes to early detection. Our fourth crucial point highlights that lifestyle plays a bigger role than many realize. You've probably heard the saying, genetics may load the gun, but lifestyle pulls the trigger. This couldn't be more true when it comes to diabetes, especially type 2. Your daily habits, what you choose to eat, how active you are, how much quality sleep you get, and even how you manage stress are incredibly powerful tools, either working for or against you in the fight against diabetes. Let's talk specifics. Something as simple as a brisk 30-minute walk, just 5 days a week, can dramatically lower your risk. It's not about becoming an Olympic athlete, just moving your body regularly. When it comes to food, choosing whole, unprocessed foods, reducing your intake of added sugars, and staying well hydrated by drinking more water are foundational steps. These aren't drastic changes, but small, consistent steps really do make big, cumulative differences over time. Your daily choices truly shape your health future. Let's dive into point number 5. Stress and sleep profoundly affect your blood sugar. It's not just about what you eat or how much you exercise. Your emotional and mental well-being play a huge part too. When you're under stress, your body's natural response is to release hormones like cortisol. And what does cortisol do? It signals your liver to release more sugar into your bloodstream, preparing you for a fight-or-flight situation. This can raise your blood sugar levels, even if you haven't eaten a thing. Similarly, chronic poor sleep or insufficient rest can have a similar effect. When you're sleep deprived, your body becomes less sensitive to insulin, essentially making it more resistant. This means the sugar can't get into your cells as efficiently, leading to higher blood sugar. So, taking time to de-stress, practicing mindfulness, breathing deeply, and prioritizing restorative sleep aren't just luxuries, they are vital components of diabetes management and prevention. Your body will absolutely thank you for that calm and rest. Now for point number 6. Diabetes affects the whole body. It's really important to understand that diabetes isn't just about managing blood sugar levels. It's a systemic condition that can touch almost every single part of your body if not properly managed. Over time, persistently high blood sugar can damage blood vessels and nerves throughout your system. This damage can lead to serious complications in various organs. For instance, it can affect your eyes, potentially leading to vision loss or even blindness. It can damage your kidneys, impairing their ability to filter waste from your blood. Your heart and blood vessels are also at risk, increasing the likelihood of heart disease, stroke, and poor circulation. And your nerves can suffer, causing numbness, tingling, or pain, especially in your feet and hands. That's why regular checkups, including eye exams, kidney function tests, and foot checks, are absolutely vital. Catching these potential problems early means you can take steps to prevent them from growing worse and protect your overall health. Diabetes management isn't just about numbers, it's truly about protecting your whole self, inside and out. And finally, our 7th, and perhaps most empowering point, it's manageable and often preventable. This is the good news. While a diabetes diagnosis can feel overwhelming, it's crucial to remember that you have a significant amount of control. Diabetes, especially type 2, is highly manageable, and in many cases, it can even be prevented or its progression reversed. With the right combination of informed food choices, consistent physical activity, effective stress management, and a positive, proactive mindset, countless people have not only improved but also achieved remission for their type 2 diabetes. It's about being consistent with healthy habits, staying informed about your condition, and truly listening to your body's unique signals. You have more power and control over your health than you might think. Embrace that power, because a vibrant, healthy life is absolutely within your reach. Remember, your health speaks every day and it's up to you to listen and respond proactively. If you learned something valuable and inspiring today, please take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe to Wellness Signal Hub for more daily wellness wisdom and empowering insights. We're here to help you live smarter, safer, and healthier every single day. Until next time, stay well, stay wise, and keep thriving.